Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a platform that's aiming to completely overhaul how we shop online. We're breaking down the mechanics of UbiqMart, an app designed specifically to take the friction right out of everyday e-commerce. So if your browser is currently a chaotic graveyard of open shopping tabs and abandoned checkout carts, well, this breakdown is perfectly structured for you. Let's get right into it.
So here's the question straight from our source material. Ever wondered how to make your shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable? I mean, it's a question we've all asked ourselves, right? You're hunting for a specific item across a dozen different websites, desperately trying to remember which one had the best shipping rate. It's exhausting. And that question directly frames our explainer today as we look at exactly how UbiqMart is attempting to solve that modern e-commerce puzzle.
Okay, let's dive into this. The source material sums it up perfectly. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple tabs and apps. We know this pain point all too well. You start out just trying to buy a simple pair of shoes, but suddenly you're juggling 5 different platforms, you're comparing shipping costs over here, reading reviews on a third site, and ultimately, you kind of forget where you even started. UbiqMart introduces a highly customer-centric approach to bypass that entirely, essentially aiming to be your ultimate one-stop shop.
All right, moving into Section 1, the future of retail.
In Section 2, location-based product discovery. So, how does this actually work? Well, the platform allows you to discover products in stores near or far, based entirely on your preferences. And what's really compelling here is how this location-based feature essentially puts the whole global retail world right at your fingertips. Think about it. Whether you want to support that awesome little indie boutique 3 blocks down the street, or you need to track down a highly specific specialty item from a vendor all the way across the country, UbiqMart is designed to locate it without you ever having to close the app.
And this seamlessly builds right into personalized recommendations. The app's interface actually tracks your preferences and actively tailors suggestions specifically for you. By learning what you actually like and what you don't, it cuts straight through all that endless digital noise. Finding the exact right product becomes intuitive. It's streamlined rather than turning into this frustrating, time-consuming treasure hunt through thousands of totally irrelevant listings.
Which brings us to Section 3, making informed purchasing decisions.
This brilliantly illustrates how they empower the buyer. You can effortlessly compare product options side by side. We're talking prices, features, and all those other crucial details, all before making a final choice. This level of comprehensive comparison is designed specifically to eliminate that second guessing and completely prevent that dreaded buyer's remorse. You know exactly how your choice stacks up against the alternatives, and you don't even need to open up an external spreadsheet to figure it out.
Moving right along to Section 4, secure checkout and delivery.
The source maps out a highly streamlined 3-step checkout process. First, place your order. Second, choose your preferred delivery mode. And third, make secure payments. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is the flexibility at that middle step. By offering a variety of delivery options, UbiqMart adapts directly to your unique day-to-day needs. So, whether you need emergency overnight shipping for a last-minute birthday gift, or you're perfectly fine with standard delivery for your weekly staples, it's got you covered.
So the crucial point is that this all happens securely. You get hassle-free payments through an integrated, highly secure payment system. UbiqMart prioritizes security above pretty much all else, giving you total peace of mind. And honestly, perhaps the best part? You aren't getting bounced around to confusing third-party payment gateways where you have to reset a forgotten password just to finalize a purchase. No way. The whole shebang stays right within the same ecosystem.
Let's look at Section 5, real-time order tracking.
The innovation definitely doesn't stop once you hit buy. From the very moment of order placement at checkout, you receive real-time status updates right up until final delivery at your doorstep. You're never left in the dark wondering where your package ended up, and you don't have to keep refreshing a tracking page every 10 minutes. It ensures a completely transparent, start-to-finish, post-purchase experience.
Finally, Section 6, a seamless shopping experience.
Ultimately, the source distills the platform down into 4 core pillars: convenience, efficiency, enjoyment, and making smart, informed decisions. It really reiterates that this isn't just another digital catalog. It's a unified ecosystem designed so you can find absolutely everything you need in a single, perfectly structured place. It's about turning shopping from a chore into something you actually enjoy doing.
So, I'll leave you with this final, provocative question straight from our source material. Are you ready to discover a new way to shop? UbiqMart is actively positioning itself as the future of retail by attempting to cure the incredibly fragmented nature of modern e-commerce. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I hope this structured breakdown leaves you with a much clearer picture of where online shopping is headed next.